First and 10 from the 20. Heineke looking end zone, and it is intercepted by Rodney McLeod. And one of the league's hottest teams, the Philadelphia Eagles, their playoff hopes still very much alive. Meanwhile, the playoff dreams for Washington end today.
Eagles fans, yes, we did it, baby. Going to the playoffs with a little help from our friends and a 2016 victory over the Washington football team. Fixed. Scary first half, but our coaches went in at halftime and made all the proper adjustments, leading to a dominating second half of football. Bet you had to change your drawers at halftime, because I know you shit yourself being down 16-7. Ground and pound, baby. Ground and pound. That's how we do.
Scored on 4th and goal earlier. Hurts is tripped, flips, dive, touchdown Boston Scott. His second today.
Had that boy Heineke looking like Brett Favre out there. Not after we start putting some heat on that ass. That's how we got that walk-off pick. Choke. So we're in it now. Special thanks to San Fran and Green Bay for handling your business. We're in the dance, and once you get in the dance, anything can happen. You clown. Ain't no more cupcakes left on y'all schedule. Y'all going down. E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles, Eagles, Eagles. Yeah. How about that?